So I'm going to teach you what I think is the simplest model in all of Forex and in all of trading, to be honest. Like, this is the model that I use, and it's simply an optimal trade entry, which is just a Fibonacci retracement. That's it. That's all you need in trading, right? So let's say you've got the bias, right? So let's zoom out. Right, clearly we're in a downtrend. Right, if you zoom out, clearly we're in a downtrend. And if you zoom out a bit more, see this liquidity here, right there. That's what we're going for. So let's get back in on the charts, right? What the optimal trade entry is it's just a Fibonacci retracement. And you get it from, see the swing high here, this one, to the swing low here. See, as we start retracing, right? You can see clearly we've left this liquidity in place. We're going to take it out. And let me just tell you, right? All PD arrays or all entry patterns, the most important thing is the bias, right? And to determine the bias, all you got to do is target highs and lows. Yeah, forget what anyone else says. As long as you target highs and lows, you'll be profitable. But anyway, let's get the Fibonacci up. So what the optimal trade entry says is you get it from this swing high here, and you drag it to this swing low here. And then that's it. And then if we, let me just expand the charts a bit. You see these three levels? It's not the best. You see these three levels, 0.62, 0.705, and 0.79. So I'll just get the settings up if you want to pause the video. It's these ones that you're interested in, 0.79, 0.705, and 0.62. For me, this one here is the best, 0.705. I'll show you why, right? This is my entry. This is all I do, and I'm a profitable trader. Look, light blue line, that's your entry. Put your stop there. And this is what I do personally. I just target a 3-to-1. A lot of people, right, they'll target this. You see the low there, they'll just target that. You can do that if you want. I like to target a 3-to-1. Because what I find, right, is you see this low here, you see when it takes out, so it takes out here, it almost always hits the 3-to-1. So instead of having your entry here, it's just easier to have a 3-to-1. That's just what I think, but what the optimal trade entry is, you could take any three of these entries, 0.62, 0.705, or 0.79. With this one here, so 0.79, you almost never get it filled. Like, you almost never hit it. I know we've hit it in this instance, but I think there's another optimal trade entry here which we don't even hit. I'll just pull it up quickly. Look, see that? You don't even hit it there. So I wouldn't say to use that. I don't think that's you're gonna miss a lot of trades, a lot of good trades. So there's no point doing that. And with 0.62 here, so this light green line, I'll just put the risk to reward tool on. If you're targeting the low, you're gonna get a 1.6. So it's not really the best. So I think the best by far is just this 0.705. Obviously, you're gonna have to adjust it for spread. But yeah, that's what the optimal trade entry is, and it's so simple, right? Like, you don't need any. You see this fair value gap. You don't need to decide which fair value gap it is, which order block to use. All you need is just the optimal trade entry, and this is the most important part. Let me zoom out. Liquidity, right? Highs and lows. All you've got to do in trading is target highs and lows. People make it so complicated. All you got to do is target highs and lows and find an optimal trade entry. And the good thing about the optimal trade entry is that price is fractal, which essentially all it means is that the pattern occurs on lower time frames and higher time frames too, which is key. So look here, right? I've marked it out. We're in the middle of London, right? And you know we're in a downtrend, right, from before. Simple optimal trade entry. This time we're on the 5-minute, not the 15-minute. From the swing high here to the swing low there, and then boom, you get your entry. Let me just mark it out. And you usually want to aim for a 3-to-1. That's what I found. And yeah, obviously you want to adjust it for spread and stuff. But yeah. And what you'll find, right, is you see let me just remove this. You see the swing from this high to this low. This 0.5 standard deviation gets hit quite a lot. So you could leave a runner on or like a partial on if you want. But for me, I just like a simple 3-to-1 because it's reliable and it's consistent. But you could aim for that if you want. Just give you 1.4. But the power of the optimal trade entry, right? And this is what I've found after fucking years of struggling, is the higher the time frame you go, the more reliable it is. And so remember that the higher the time frame you go, the more reliable the optimal trade entry is. Because for me, I only trade the 4-hour, right? Because it's so simple because it's got the daily bias built into it, if you know what I mean. Because it's just you don't even need to use the daily chart because the 4 hour is already the higher time frame chart. But what you want to do, right, is you want to just target highs and lows. Highs and lows, nice and simple. So we've got one high here, and we've got a low here. So we put our Fibonacci from the high here to the low here, like that. And obviously the pips are going to be a lot larger. And this is what I do. I'd aim for a 3-to-1. A simple 3-to-1. That's it. That's all you need to do. And the great thing about the 4-hour chart is because I'm a swing trader, is that you can have literally all assets, like all Forex pairs that I can trade. And it just allows you to get these easy, bread and butter setups. And yeah, I think it's just such a simple model. The optimal trade entry, it works on literally any time frame. Even here, there's one. It works on all time frames. But what I've found is the higher the time frame you go, the better. But the key thing, as always, is targeting highs and lows, because that's where price goes to. It goes to highs and it goes to lows. Simple as that. But the optimal trade entry is a fantastic model for beginners and for anyone. Like I'm like 2 years in, and I use optimal trade entry because I like it. And yeah, I've used I've used fair value gaps, I've used order blocks, I've used everything. Liquidity sweeps, all that stuff. All you need is an optimal trade entry. An optimal trade entry and target highs and lows. It's that simple. But yeah, keep trading simple, right? The simpler your trading is, the absolute better it is. Because you gotta think, most people just want to overcomplicate it just to sound smart. You don't need to do that. Optimal trade entry is all you need. And, forget what ICT is teaching, in his new live streams. Forget all that. Just focus on you and focus on a simple optimal trade entry. And assuming that you manage like all your emotions and stuff, there's no reason why you won't be profitable.